Right, let me get this thing running. Okay, this is Pilot Bob, and he's going to fly my scratch-built airplane, and we're all set to go.
When you're ready.
I'm ready. Camera rolling.
Boy, that's a nice takeoff.
Up and away.
I didn't yell takeoff. Takeoff. Just trying to get a feel for it.
Yeah, sure. It's a scratch built on a SlowStick frame. Looking good.
Hanging loose there. That's the front wheel. That's the wheels, Jake. I think the landing gear. Yeah.
All right, that's a good pass. Oh, nice.
That's just been a good shot there.
How's it handle?
Seems to be very, very docile.
Well, that's
Very
good.
nice.
That's what I was hoping for. It's been about 6 months since I flew it. I only flew it one time. And you didn't have to give it any up elevator or anything like that, huh?
Not too much.
Okay.
Took off pretty nice.
Oh, we're getting a nice...
That's as slow as I...
Yeah, we're getting a nice... oh, real nice. All right, you want to bring her in?
I will bring her in.
All right. Going to get a landing.
Landing!
White Tank Mountains in the background. All right. Okay.